Is your dome light equipped with an OEM incandescent bulb? Then in this video, I will show you how to change it to LED. Here are the tools that you're gonna need. An LED bulb. I bought this from a local auto supply store. A flathead screwdriver. A rag for cleaning and cover before prying, just to make sure the plastic part will not be damaged. An alcohol to clean the electrical contact. You can use a contact cleaner for this process. LEDs have lower power consumption while giving a brighter light. This type of LED is detachable from its 2-point contact and comes with a double-sided tape to keep it in place. There is another LED bulb which is fixed, meaning there is no adapter. It has the same structure as the OEM ones, except it's an LED bulb. The flathead screwdriver is optional in this Honda, since you can use your bare hands to remove the dome light cover. Here are the points where you will insert your flathead screwdriver to pry it open. First step is to use your flathead screwdriver and rag. Insert it into the designated point to open. But before you do that, it is better to cover your screwdriver to prevent the plastic part to be damaged. Gently pry the cover. If you don't have a flathead screwdriver, or perhaps you are lazy enough to get one, then you can use your hand to remove it. Push it with your thumb, then slide it downward. That is the standard incandescent OEM bulb. Although this type of bulb is durable, it has a weaker brightness and heats up faster than the LED ones. Gently remove the OEM bulb. Use your rag and alcohol to clean the two electrical contacts. Clean the lens or the cover of the dome light for a better light penetration or brightness. Dry it well with a rag. Grab your LED bulb and remove the double-sided tape cover. Install the LED by compressing the spring. Make sure you fit it so it won't fall out. Test the LED if it works or not. In this case, the LED works, which means it is in the right polarity. LEDs only works in one position. If it doesn't work, interchange the contact to make it work. Gently stick the LED in its proper place. Lastly, install the dome light cover. So this is how it looks like before and after. I hope you appreciate this video. Please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Thank you very much and God bless.